We were so excited to receive another magnet from Ulibermagnets to try out. These are towel bars. This one here, I already have the magnet screwed on the end. It's a 2-pack, and the magnets are super simple to install. No tools required. It just has the bolt on the end, and you simply just turn it and assemble it. They are super lightweight. They weigh less than a pound, actually 0.88 pounds. So the bar itself is nice and light, but the magnets are super strong. You can adjust the width of the bar. At its smallest point, it measures just under 15 inches, but you can extend it to just under 25 inches. It's a really nice low profile. It will only stick out from the surface just a little over 3 inches. We're going to put one of them on the side of our refrigerator. Listen to how solid this magnet is. But easy to adjust. I have it a little wider so that I can put my towels on it. I think I might want it even a little wider than that. So there we have it a little wider. Super cute and super handy. I'm going to put the other one on the front of our wash machine. I'm always wanting to be able to wipe my hands off. Put it right on there and put a towel. Super nice and handy. So if you're looking for a stylish towel bar that you don't have to use screws to attach, super strong magnets, super stylish, I would sure check out these towel bars from Ulibermagnets.